guys, my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay, so this is stripped down from previous design. So coming in with the nail prep and the Ultra Bond primer. Da-da-da. So I'm going to pop a super thin clear base down. I'm using the Nailchemy A8. I need my monomer.
You do?
That helps. Monomer is kind of essential when you're doing acrylic nails, just in case you don't know that. So, just a little bit. Nice thin clear base. Right, so on this nail we are using Lucian and Nomad, and these are from the Touch of Darkness collection. Which one first? Let's go for Lucian. Right, so we're going to be doing a fade, so I want to be working in nice small beads.
Yeah, because I'm having a hot flush.
Oh God. Oh, it's still warm in here.
I think it's got warmer again.
Trying to do acrylic fades in heat is not ideal. But we will do it. We will do it. Smaller beads. Smaller, wetter beads. If in doubt, change your design. Do something else. Just go for full cover. Right, I'm going to leave that like that just for the Lucian and see how this fades up onto that.
I'm loving
What was this one called?
That is
Nomad.
Nomad. I'm loving the colour of this.
So this should, in theory, fade nicely.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, look
very
at the
much.
shimmer on that.
There we go. Yeah, I didn't think that was going to work well with Lucian for a minute. But good thing about a nice shimmery acrylic like Nomad is it blends like a dream and it makes light work of any ombre. Perfect. Oh, I like those two together. I never normally would have picked colours like that to go together, but they actually work quite well, don't they?
Very autumny colours.
Which is ideal, seeing as we are doing an autumn nail. Right, so I've got some of these from the Maple Leaf glitters. So they're like a copper colour. I think I'm just going to put the two on because they're quite big.
They're very pretty and I love the holographic look to them.
And I'm going to pop a little bit of toffee in the background. So it's like a champagne-y gold. So just a little bit, just so that the leaves don't stick out like a sore thumb. Like that. I really should be zoomed in a little bit more for this. Should know this by now. Right, so obviously big glitter pieces like this on a pinky nail are always going to be a little bit tricky because they're going to stick up. So I'm going to wait for that to set ever so slightly. In fact, what I might do, hold that thought, I'm going to get a little bit of clear acrylic and just kind of pop that around it. Ideally not all over some skin. And then as that clear acrylic is setting, I'll press the corners of the glitter into it like so.
Are we not capping?
Yeah, I will. I was going to put that away, but no, I still need it. So, where's my dotting tool? Might be a bit easier with a dotting tool. So where that clear acrylic is setting now, requires a little bit of persistence, this bit, but it will hold. Nearly. You see how it just smushes into that acrylic. Everything but this corner here. Get a little bit more clear on there. That's just going to help pin it down. Did I put any clear acrylic on that bit? I don't think I did. There we go, that's that bit stuck down. There we go. Right, so now I can cap the rest of that nail. Nice and carefully, because obviously we've got a few chunks of acrylic on there already. So fingers crossed at the weekend when we do some more filming, it's not going to be quite as warm as it has been today. I'm not going to lie, guys, it's been tricky working in this heat. It's not been easy. But it's all good. It's okay. It's fine. Just gotta keep telling yourself it's fine. It's fine. Right, so I'm gonna give that a couple of minutes and then we'll come back and we'll get it all filed up. Right, we are all filed up and I've given this nail a quick... I can't get rid of this dust. There's dust everywhere.
Because we've got the fan going.
And I've done so many nails today. It's just dust everywhere. Right, yes, we're all filed and buffed up. This nail is so short for you, Sam. You normally have really long nails. This makes me sad.
I know, but I'm typing now and I keep getting them caught in the middle.
Me so sad. There it is.
I think we should do next time 4 short ones and then the little ones that I don't use to type with really long.
No, not short nails.
No, short, this sort of length, and then 2 really long ones.
No, forever long nails, please, Sam. Okay, Sam, pop that one in the lamp for me. I don't like this. You need to quit your job. Quit your job, and then we can have really long, pretty nails again. Because you limit what I can do with these short things. Although saying that, lots of people would still struggle with nails that length. But they're short by our standards, aren't they? I mean, look at mine. Shorties.
Really,
But these are all my own nails.
I know that you're your own.
And I like this colour. I think this was Kingfisher from Prophecy. I think so. It might be. It might have been Blue Jay. I'm not sure.
It's one of the two.
I can't
If it's
remember.
blue, they're on her nails.
Oh yes. Well, I have to have blue nails because of my blue hair. Every time I wash my hair, it stains my nails. Right. So that is the Mango Elixir Cuticle Oil that we've used on that. And there we go. I'm really, really happy with how those colours faded into one another. They're gorgeous, aren't they?
They're lovely.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.